Nunez.
Taong 2010, nang dumayo dito sa Pilipinas ang Panamanian knockout artist na si Ricardo El Matematico Nunez upang sagupain ang tinaguriang gintong kamao na si Drian Francisco para sa WBA Super Flyweight Title Eliminator. Si Ricardo Nunez ay dating WBA Intercontinental Super Flyweight Champion at dati ring WBC Latino Super Flyweight Champion. Habang ang ating kababayan naman na si Drian Francisco ay dating WBA International Super Flyweight Champion. Ang laban ng dalawa ay ginanap sa Inares Sports Arena sa Pasig City. At bago ang kanilang bakbakan ay may baong kartada si Ricardo Nunez na 17 wins, 1 loss at may 15 KO. Habang ang ating kababayan naman na si Drian Francisco ay may kartadang 18 wins, 0 loss at may 14 KO. Halina mga kaboksing at muli nating balikan kung paano pinauwing luhaan ng ating kababayan ang knockout artist ng Panama.
Wait for this fight. What do we look forward to aside from the fact the matters of consequence you mentioned?
Well, first of all, the fight is being out. This guy Nunez is fighting out of Panama, but he is a very strong knockout to win ratio, and that's why it's a handily. But there were questions on how he handled those fights. Masyadong mabigat, mabagal, so napakabilis ni Drian. Power shot. Referee Bruce McTavish. First round knockdown scored by Drian. Got it again. Got it again. And now Nunez is holding on. Oh! Francisco! And he's got once more. This could be early. This could be an early ending.
For the second knockdown of this first round. And here we go.
This is unbelievable. And Francisco now going for the kill. Nunez has been down twice.
Malakas talaga sumutok eh.
It's the Nunez.
Yes,
His legs are very unsteady.
I like your point about na hindi niya alam kung ano tumama sa kanya. Oh! A big left hand coming from Francisco, and Francisco's putting it on.
He's also looking at his corner at this point. We weren't even finished with discussing about what they were going to bring into this ring, but right now Francisco is dominating against the Panamanian. This is unbelievable for the WBC.
At undefeated.
Halos, isang unanimous. And more shots being landed here. This fight, Francisco cannot afford to get his opponent badly.
No.
Got a nice knockout rate. But before the fight, Creator, we talked about the speed factor, no?
Yes.
But right now, clearly, Drian has that.
I think the power is just such a factor
Sobra. Oo.
in the strength.
Even in an awkward situation, Francisco still lands something solid. Nunez was speaking at his corner, looking for direction. And they're giving it to him in terms of instructions. Again, just to clarify, Nunez with 7 pound na yung left hook na yun. Eh, no? Talagang boom, tinamaan eh.
Yun yung
You can see that between these two fighters in terms of style, Nunez is a technician.
Ano yung laban ng konti, no?
And you see the moves of Francisco are not really very scientific moves. I guess that's the reason why a lot of people say that he's very awkward.
exactly.
Very unorthodox.
Mga kapatid mo yan. Well, we're glad that they're around. Okay, in the meantime, Nunez.
The dangerous thing is, I thought Nunez started to get his rhythm in the second round. Let's see what Drian Francisco can do here. You don't want to give
Numbers that he really brings in. 15 KOs, no? He's awkward, but he's effective, and that.
May dudugutit.
Matiko kung saan gagaling yung mga sundok eh.
Medyo yung mga anggulong binabasa niya, hindi na tama yung mga polynomial eh. Ha? Parang hindi as crisp as you as expected.
oo.
No, ha?
Well, at least we haven't seen it yet.
Yes.
Yung power niya.
And Francisco trying to bore inside. Nunez staying there right with him. Nice left hand at work for the Gintong Kamao combination there.
And that jab.
Baka napagod siya ng first round
This is
because
a
binuhos
flurry.
ka lahat eh.
Ano flurry na. At saka, he's been gritting his teeth.
Because in the future, he will go up against, again, number 1 champ. Know how to fight against this kind of style. But it's really different, but you don't try to change it.
Hindi dumarating. Yun, binoboxing na ni Nunez.
Nunez going to the body. You can see what he's doing, trying to...
He cocks in the right hand before he throws it.
Drian scoring once more. Some big punches.
No question about Francisco being a head jolter. He can do that. How raw is this Quinito compared to the Manny Pacquiao you saw in his early years?
We're talking of Drian Francisco.
Yes.
As a whole, he was very raw, but he had so much power. He lost all the rounds to Chachay from 1 to 7 until he came back to knock him out in the 8th round.
Skills ni Nunez as yung pagboboxing niya, kulang dito sa raw power ni Francisco. Tingnan, naaalog siya eh. He boxes, then he leaves himself open to the raw power of Drian Francisco. Oh, yes!
Yeah, but left hand is really a telling punch here in this fight. No? And I've never seen Drian throw as much left jab as he has done so far.
And that's a combination that rocks Nunez. Nunez no reply. And here's Francisco pouring on the heat. Francisco looking for an opening.
He's got the angle for the right hand. But remember that left hand is also deadly for Drian Francisco. Francisco again peeling off.
And just rocking Nunez time and again.
Absolutely no defense here for Nunez, and also the variety of punches that Nunez is throwing, it's not wide. Alam mo kung ano yung mga itatapon niya. Wala siyang uppercut.
Parang
You're right. Oh, there we go. He's cut.
Nice left hand. It's a left hand. Nunez once more.
one day he will be known as Drian Woho Francisco.
Nunez down once more.
And Nunez.
Matapos tamaan ng solidong left hook sa round 5 ni Drian Francisco, ay bumulagta si Ricardo Nunez. Kaya naman kaagad na itinigil ng referee ang laban.
One hand. Unbelievable ending here.